Hi guys, welcome back to Technic Force Learning. This video is all about using Quora for SEO. Let's get started. Did you know that Quora has over 19.8 million content pages indexed by Google? There's a lot of potential for your website or blog. In this video, you'll learn about the basics of how Quora works, different ways you can use it to drive traffic and leads, and tips on how to get the most out of your Quora campaigns. Plus, find out why you should care about using Quora for SEO success. So let's jump right in. What is Quora and how does it work for SEO? Quora is a question and answer website with over 300 million users. It works by allowing people to ask questions about any topic and then providing answers from experts and other users. You can also follow topics and add questions to your watch list to keep track of new content. Because Quora has a large user base, it's a great place to share your content and get exposure for your website or blog. You can also use Quora to find potential customers and leads. So let's take a closer look at how you can use Quora for SEO success. It's worth mentioning that 32.5% of Quora users are 25 to 34 years old. These are the people most likely to go out and make a purchase after they see your answer. Add the fact that 54% of adult users report a household income of more than $100,000 per year, and you'll understand why your company could benefit from using Quora as part of your SEO strategy. Here's some brief steps of how to get started with Quora SEO. First, use Quora to get your content shared by influencers. Influencer marketing is one of the most effective ways to get your message heard. Second, find potential customers and leads. When most people think of Quora, they think of people asking questions. But did you also know that almost a quarter of the site's traffic is direct? That means people are coming directly to Quora for information. It makes sense if you think about it. Who hasn't Googled an answer to a question? Third, promote blog content on Quora. Quora is an excellent platform for promoting blog posts. You'll get exposure and build more links to your content by adding your post to Quora. This strategy will help you rank higher in search engines and get organic traffic from people actively searching for the information you are sharing. And fourth, get your brand out there with a Quora profile. Over 75% of Quora's traffic comes from mobile devices, making it the ideal place to promote your business when people are on their phones. Creating a profile on the site with information about your company will increase your search rankings and gain more visibility. And if you need help on setting up your Quora profile, we have a tutorial video here on our channel. Now that you know how you can use Quora for SEO success, it's time to learn tips on making the most out of the platform. Tip number 1. Use keywords in your questions and answers. When writing questions and answers, use keywords that your target customers would be searching for. This will help you rank higher in search engine results pages, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Tip number 2. Follow relevant topics. When you follow relevant topics on Quora, you'll get updates when new content is posted that's relevant to your interest. It's a great way to stay up to date with industry news without having to search the internet yourself. Plus, you'll be able to promote your own content on Quora more often because it will show up in your feed. Tip number 3. Comment on questions and answers. Every time you leave a comment on Quora, you're getting exposure for your business. Since people can see your name and website URL when you comment, you'll be able to get organic traffic from Quora without even writing a question or answer. To make the most of your comments, use your profile link and focus on offering valuable insights to other users. If you make a habit of commenting on posts within your industry, you'll build relationships with influencers who can help boost your visibility. And last tip, make the most of your time. You'll get even more traffic to your site by using Quora effectively. Since there are over 300 million users on the site, you should put in the time and effort to make it work for your business. But don't forget that you have other marketing responsibilities as well. Try to stick with 1 or 2 Quora marketing tactics at a time, and make sure that you're staying focused on your company's overall mission. And there you have it, using Quora for SEO. I hope you find this video helpful. And before this video ends, did you know that you can run live, on-demand scheduled webinar replays with hands-free automation and the breakthrough sales getting features with no hosting required, and has dozens of ready templates and engagement and sales booster? Introducing Webinar Loop 2 by Technic4. Webinar Loop makes creating high-converting profitable webinars a piece of cake. It has never-seen-before engagement and sales-boosting technology, where you have full-screen lifelike experience, call to actions with clickable buttons, info boxes for engaging tidbits, and live polls on webinars. You have surveys on webinars too, and infographics and ads on webinars. So, what are you waiting for? Try Webinar Loop now. Just go to getwebinarloop.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.